Look at this nice, beautiful, gorgeous, tasty dish. You must try this.
Hello friends, welcome to Eden's Kitchen. Today I will be cooking chicken and veggie stir fry. These are the ingredients you will need. 150 grams of mushroom, half red bell pepper, half onion sliced, 1 thumb size of ginger thinly sliced, 2 cloves of garlic finely chopped, 1/4 cup of almond, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 egg, 1 pound of chicken breast thinly sliced, 250 grams of steamed broccoli, half cup of water, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Don't forget salt and ground black pepper to taste. Okay, first we have to marinate the chicken. Okay, now let's prepare the sauce. Around 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar. I'm always using brown sugar. 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, pinch of black pepper, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Now let's mix it. Make sure you mix it thoroughly. Okay, let's set this aside. Okay, now we have to marinate the chicken. We will be using the white egg. And then around 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. You can add if need be. So all you have to do is to mix it properly like this. You can put a little bit of oil as well, around half a teaspoon. And then continue mixing until the meat is coated. Okay, now let's set this aside. Let's toast the almond for 30 seconds. Half a teaspoon of cooking oil to toast the almond. I love the almond when they're toasted. Okay, now we can put them here in our plate. Okay, in the same pan, we can put around 2 tablespoons of oil for our chicken. Stir fry the chicken. Leave it for at least 2 minutes. I want them to be a little bit golden brown. This is one of my favorite dishes. Look at this texture of the chicken. Very nice. I want them all to be lightly golden brown. Okay, let's remove this beautiful chicken meat from our pan and put it here together with the almonds. Look at this. I bought this yesterday. It was about €5. Okay, let's put a little bit of cooking oil, around 1 tablespoon. Okay, let's wait until medium heat before putting the ginger. Let's put the ginger. Beautiful. I can smell it already. Let's fry the ginger for about 10 seconds. Okay, the garlic. Let's put the sliced onion. Let's put the mushrooms, the red bell pepper, stir and cook it for about maybe 10 seconds. I want my red bell pepper to be half cooked only. And I don't want my mushrooms to be overcooked. Now I can put the chicken and almond. Oh my God, it smells so good. Let's cook it for about maybe 20 seconds. Beautiful. Okay, let's pour the sauce. Slowly. Oh, mamma mia. Very nice. Now let's put the steamed broccoli. I will turn down the fire a little bit. Okay, now it's time to taste this beautiful dish. My God! It needs a little bit of salt, only this. Around maybe a pinch. There you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. This is a very simple dish, very healthy. I will turn off my stove now. Until then, happy cooking!